Brett?
Want to play a couple songs that I wrote? See if, you know. Back I remember the warmth of the spring and the whispering melody of a flowering thing. Vast verdant meadows with skies blue above, the trill of the songbirds, the embrace of my love. An empty recliner, no clothes by the bed, the clamor of morning, now silent instead. The words you aren't saying sharply sting like the bite of the cold icy winds that convulse in the night. When the cold winds of lonely blow bitter and stark, alone and abandoned, I'm afraid of the dark. The anguish of grief, the regret of goodbye, nothing left but to wait for the storm to pass by. Naive and complacent, we plan and we choose. We neglect to consider what we have to lose. How the cold winds can blow any time of the year and take away in an instant the things we hold most dear. Slow silence lingers, no voices to speak, more attuned than a dwelling, this chamber so bleak. I tremble and shiver as I cry in my bed, with the dark like a quill pulled up over my head. When the cold winds of lonely blow bitter and stark, alone and abandoned, I'm afraid of the dark. The anguish of grief, the regret of goodbye, nothing left but to wait for the storm to pass by. Nothing left but to wait for the storm to pass by.